Welcome to USMLE Sarthi. We are committed to empowering IMGs. We're excited to guide you on your match journey. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get notified whenever we add new content. Also, follow us on Instagram and Twitter for the latest tips and tricks regarding everything USMLE. Now, let's dive into it.
I'm so happy that I joined Sarthi. You guys are amazing. I'm so happy and satisfied with the services. I was dedicated to pediatrics. So they don't just give you 10, 20 questions, they give you 100. And I watched the videos about program outreach, and it actually really helped me to receive interview. Thank you so much, Pawan. Before I start, I want to start with thanking you. So thank you so much, Pawan, your team, and my mentor, Travis. You guys are amazing. I'm so happy that I joined Sarthi. I was a member of, I had a membership with Platinum, and I also arranged some of my rotations through Sarthi. And you guys are amazing. I'm so happy and satisfied with the services. I can suggest everybody in here to join Sarthi. Any membership would be great. They're a great team, and Pawan is amazing. The mentors are amazing. The mock interviews that I had with Sarthi team was great. It helped me tons with my interview practice, and also the questions they provided you is very similar the real one. So they don't just give you 10, 20 questions, they give you 100. How many questions did we study together, Pawan?
I think 85 to 90, I think.
Yeah, it was huge. I even couldn't go through all of them, but the lessons and the questions was amazing, and it helped me a lot. And what else? I arranged some of my rotations with Sarthi, and I can suggest to do that for you. Like if you want to do clinical hands-on rotations, Sarthi can help you. I did that, and I got I really happy with the results. It was an amazing experience, and it boosted my CV a lot. Today, I actually wanted to talk about the program outreach. When I received my Step 2 score, it was much lower than I expected. And I immediately had meeting with Mr. Pawan and Travis, my mentor. They both suggest me to do program outreach. Before I joined the Sarthi, I never heard about program outreach. Nobody talks about it. So I go through the Matchflix. It's a educational tool that you can have once you enroll the packages. So I go through the Matchflix, and I watch the videos about program outreach, and it actually really helped me to receive interviews. So I was a really great CV, but my Step 2 score was very low. So I was I was very anxious that I'm not gonna get reviewed. So I believe program outreach helps you to programs review your application in the early of the season. So it's boosts your chance to get reviewed earlier and get increase your chance to get interview. So thank you so much for your suggestions. And also I can suggest people to join open houses. I'm talking only about pediatrics because all my experience and journey is dedicated to pediatrics. The open houses, in my experiences, it works. I joined the open houses of the programs that I really interested in, and I followed up with the email. And after I submit my application, I followed up that email, and I received interview from 2 of the programs. And so it helps you to get more interviews. I can give you that tip. And last thing that I can say about the connections, you have to build your own connections. You can reach out to people from your country in any program, and don't be hesitate to reach out to people. They mostly very friendly. They understand. They had gone through the process that you are doing right now. So they're always very helpful. And the other thing that I can suggest you to, if you're able to go to like a American Academy of Pediatrics, I joined their meetings twice, and it helped me a lot to do connections. I had a membership as student. The physician prices was very expensive. So if you can enroll the student membership, it really helps you to boost your application. So you can put on your CV, because they're asking you if you're a member of any professional association, so you can put there, and also you can go to conferences, meet with people. There is a IMG sections in pediatrics meetings, so you can actually go there and meet with IMG pediatric program directors. So these are all my tips for today. Thank you, Pawan.
Absolutely. So just so that everyone knows, you did do some research in the US. I mean, in terms of your timeline, right? So give them an
Yeah.
overview of some timeline also. You did do some research, right,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the US?
After med school, I moved to United States. First, I studied child development in community college. Then I studied master's degree in clinical research, and I stayed in that lab, and I kept doing research. But back in Turkey, when I was a medical student, I was still doing research. So I didn't start immediately when I moved to United States. So I had already interest in research, and I was dedicated to pediatrics. So when they go through my application, they see a bunch of research, but they all in pediatrics. So it actually really helped me, because in pediatrics, what I sense is they don't mind your if you have a high score, but they really want to see that if you are really interested in pediatrics, if you are not using the pediatrics as a backup, they really want to see your genuine interest. So if you are still in med school or like after med school, I suggest you to do some research in pediatrics if you can, because it really helped me to get interviews from academic medical center programs.
Yep. And I think you raise a very important point. Focus on a specialty is very, very important. That's one. So if you can focus on one specialty, it'll definitely pay rich dividends. And the second is many students think research is not really essential in FM or pediatrics. I think that's not the case. Research can be useful in any specialty.
Yeah.
Right?
I agree. Yeah.
Yeah, no. Well, thank you. I know you got to rush, so thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and thank you for everything, Pawan.
Yes, absolutely. And good luck, and I'll see you in Pittsburgh when you're here. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope that video provided valuable insights for your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And check out our website for details on how we can guide you to a successful match.